An element P react with an element Q to form compound. So this is a statement. In this statement, what are the question asked? Write the position of Q and P and Q in the modern periodic table. So in this question, what is the answer means we write the period and group of which element P and Q belongs to. And second question, write the molecular formula of the compound formed when P reacts with Q. So P and Q react together to form one compound. So we write the molecular formula of that compound. Okay. So first, what the information we gain from the statement? So an element P has atomic number 20. So from these atomic number we convert the we write the electronic configuration. So P has atomic number 20. Write it electronic configuration. What is the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 8, and 2. This is the electronic configuration of P. And Q 17, atomic number 17, that means it contains electron 17. So 2, 8, 7. Okay. So first in these atomic number to convert the electronic configuration. And first question, write the position of P and Q in the modern periodic table. First element P, which group it belongs to? That outermost shell electrons 2. So it belongs to which group? 2. And it contains number of shell 1, 2, 3, 4. So an element P present in the group 2 and the period 4. And element Q. At element Q, atomic number 17, electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. So outermost shell contains 7 electrons. So it belongs to which group? 7 means it belongs to 17th group. So group number 17. And period, number of shells 1, 2, 3. 3 shells. So it belongs to the period 3. Next question, write the molecular formula of the compound formed when P react with Q. So we must know the valency of P and Q. Okay. So what is the valency of P? That outermost shell contains 2 electrons. Valence electron 2 means it belongs to group 2. What is the valency of the group 2? The valency of the group 2 elements are 2. This is the valency of P. Okay. Next, valency of Q. Outermost shell contains 7 electrons. 7 electron means it belongs to 17th group. What is the valency of the 17th group? 1. So valency of the Q is equal to 1. Next, P. That valency right on the top. The P has the valency 2. And Q has a valency 1. So it right on the top. Next, cross multiply. So P1 Q2. If 1, we need not to denote this 1. So what is the formula? PQ2. This is the molecular formula. So when P and Q react together to form PQ2. Okay. And next question. 3 elements X, Y, Z have atomic number 7, 8, 9 respectively. Okay. So this is the statement. From this statement, what are the question asked? State the position of the modern position in the modern periodic table. So X, Y, Z. We must write the period and group of X, Y, Z. And next question, arrange these elements in decreasing order of atomic radii. So we arrange this element in the decreasing order of its size. Next, write the formula of the compound when X combined with Z. So X and Z react together to form a compound, we must write the formula of the compound. So from this information, atomic number only given. From this atomic number, we first convert into the electronic configuration. If the atomic number 7 means X has that atomic number 7, that means it contains 7 electrons. So write it electronic configuration 2, 5. Okay, that Y it has the atomic number 8, that means it contains 8 electrons. Write it electronic configuration 2, 6. And Z, that atomic number 9. So what is the electronic configuration? 2, 7. Okay, and first state the position in the modern periodic table. X. So X belongs to which group? So group means we see the outermost electrons. So outermost shell electrons 5. So which group? 5 means it belongs to 15th group. Group number 15. Period. Period means number of shells. 1, 2. Next to Y. Y, the atomic number, the valence electrons 6. So it belongs to 6 means it belongs to 16th group. Period, number of shells 1, 2. And Z 2, 7. 7 electrons are there in their outermost shell. Okay, so 7 means it belongs to the group 17. And period, number of shells 1, 2. So all the elements X, Y, Z, these 3 elements are belongs to different group but same period. So X, Y, Z. Okay, this is the way of arranging X, Y, Z. Here atomic number 7, 8 and 9. Okay, next question, arrange the element decreasing order of its atomic radii. In a period we move left to right, the size reduced, atomic size reduced. Why? Because the nuclear charge increases, so force of attraction between nucleus and outermost shell increases, so it pulls the outermost electron towards the nucleus. So the size of the atoms reduces. So which is the larger atom? X. And the size decreases. Finally, Z is a small in size. Okay. So here the question asks decreasing order of atomic radii. Decreasing means large to small. So X, Y and Z. Okay, this is the decreasing order of elements depends their atomic radii. Next, write the formula of the compound formed when X combined with Z. So we must know the valency of X and Z. So X, outermost electrons 5. So what is the valency? It belongs to 15. 15 means what is the valency? 3. Okay, and X and Z only the question asked. Z. Okay, so first write X. X has a valency 3 and Z has valency 1. Cross multiply. So what we get? X 1 Z 3. Then 1 we need not to denote that 1. So X Z 3. So the compound molecular formula is X Z 3.